Okay, remember, when you're trying to solve equations, you have a left side of your equation and you have a right side of your equation. So you can draw an imaginary line down the middle. You want to put all your like terms on the same side of the equation. Well, I have a 2x on the left side and I have a 1x on the right side. I want to put all my x's on the same side. So I'm going to keep my 2x on the left side, but my 1x I want to bring to the left side, right? I want to get rid of it from the right side. So what's the opposite of a positive 1x? How do I get rid of it?
Negative.
Take away the 1x. So if I take it away from here, it's gone. What am I left with on the right side?
3.
Negative 3. Don't forget the negative. And on the left side, I have this positive 4. So how do I get rid of that? What's the opposite of plus 4? What's the opposite of plus 4? Take away 4. Does that get rid of it?
Yeah.
What do you do? Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So what do I have to do to the right side? If I took 4 away from the left side, what do I need to do to the right side? There you go. Are we done? Simplify. What's 2x take away 1x?
Oh, it's 4 divided by 5.
What's negative 3 take away 4?
Wait, what happened with 2?
Negative 7. So I have 1x equals negative 7. Can I just say x equals negative 7? Yep, done. Okay, we're going to try B. Okay, for the second one now, we have a bracket. So we actually have to distribute the number in front of the bracket. We have to multiply it by each term inside the bracket. Do you remember this? Because I need to remove those brackets. So the first thing I'm going to do is 3 times 6. What's 3 times 6? And then 3 times negative 2x. What's a positive times a negative? Positive times a negative. Negative. 3 times 2x is 6x. Right? That's equal to 12x. Okay, this one's a little harder. I like to separate my sides, and I like to put all my variable terms on the left side. Do I have a variable term on the left side right now? This. I have a negative 6x on the left side. I want to keep that there. Which term should I put together with that term, with the negative 6x? Which term should I combine with that? Do I have any other variable terms? What? I have a positive 12x on the right side. So what should it become if I want to bring it to the left side? What's the opposite of plus 12x? Minus 12x. But don't forget about this little guy. This 18 over here, is he positive or negative? So if I want to bring him to the right side, what does he become? Negative. Does this look better now? Can I simplify this? Can you do negative 6x take away 12x? That's good. That's equal to negative 18x equals negative 18, right? And then, Natalie, now what do we have to do? I'm trying to isolate x. I want to get x by itself, so I have to get rid of what's in front of x. Opposite of multiplication is? Opposite of multiplication is division. So I divide by negative 18. That gets rid of it. So what do I have to do on this side? Same thing. Divide by negative 18. A negative divided by negative is a positive. 18 divided by 18 is 1. The answer is x equals 1.